In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Ultra Instinct in Sparking Zero. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about Ultra Instinct, particularly with Goku and Goku Ultra Instinct Sign. They offer a unique set of abilities focused on evasion and counterattacks, so I'm going to give you a general breakdown on how to use these abilities. I'm not going to go super in depth, but this should be enough of a breakdown to get you started. So you can acquire Ultra Instinct Goku by purchasing it for 120,000 Zenny. So acquire 120,000 Zenny and you will be able to purchase it regularly from the shop. After you have him unlocked, you will be able to play. So one of the key features is going to be the automatic dodge. So he will dodge attacks automatically. You literally don't need to input any buttons. So this is a significant aspect of Ultra Instinct. Incoming melee attacks and ki blasts will be dodged. However, to activate this, like I said, you won't press any buttons, but it will consume ki for both Ultra Instinct Goku forms. So if you run out of ki, the dodge will not be performed, so always pay attention to your ki meter. It does not automatically dodge super attacks, throws, or vanishing strikes. Now, in Sparking mode, you have Continuous Vanish. While in Sparking mode, you can perform a Continuous Vanish by tapping the guard button and pressing a direction. This will also drain your ki rapidly. It has Enhanced Dragon Dash and Perception and Super Perception. These skills allow you to evade and potentially counter enemy attacks. So Perception is going to be a window for follow-up attacks after successful perception has been increased. It requires ki to activate, and using it against smash attacks and rush chains costs 2 skill counts against a 1. You cannot use perception during guard stunts. For super perception, successfully deflecting a blast with super perception will provide a stronger buff for a longer duration and slightly restore ki. Ultra Instinct Goku has access to unique skills. For example, Mastered Ultra Instinct Goku has a skill called No Backing Down, which is done by Ki Charge Up and Guard that costs 3 skill stocks, but significantly buffs melee attacks, Ki Blasts, defense, and Ki Charge speed. And regarding the ultimate attacks, Ultra Instinct forms have powerful ultimate attacks that can be devastating if landed. Mastered Ultra Instinct Goku's ultimate is particularly effective after landing a combo that puts the opponents back to you. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Ultra Instinct Goku and Sparking Zero. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.